Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can tint your lace closure or lace frontal with just a foundation. And you need two things to do this: a foundation that matches your skin tone and then a beauty blender. This is how most frontals come with untinted lace. You can use any liquid foundation as long as it matches your skin tone. It's okay. Pour some of the foundation at the back of your hand and then use a sponge or a beauty blender to dab the foundation on the lace. Keep doing that until you cover the whole lace with your foundation. I know you're probably wondering why I'm not bleaching my knots, because it's so popular on YouTube. Bleaching the knots on my lace frontal makes it shed more, and I don't like doing that. Like, I prefer doing this because it gives it the same color effect, and I also get less shedding using foundation. When you are done applying the foundation on your frontal or closure, you go over it again with your beauty blender and then blend evenly. So after you've blended everything in, you leave it for like 1 hour for it to air dry, or you can leave it overnight to air dry. But in this video I used a blow dry to dry it because that is so faster and easy to do. If you have a dryer, I'll recommend you use that because it will save time. Tap to see if it's dry. This will not leave any stain or mark if it's dried well. So there you have it guys, your tinted lace frontal. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also leave me a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Can't fuck with your man them. Talk too much, me don't like them. See me with my people, you for stand firm. Know a couple people back, you can't stand.